Hello everyone and welcome to my Scribus tutorial series. In this video I will show you the hard return and the soft return text format in a document on Scribus. So what's the difference between hard return and soft return on Scribus? The difference between the two is that the hard return marks the end of a paragraph and starts a new one. It creates a clear visual break in the text. Whereas the soft return creates a line break within a paragraph without starting a new one. It is still part of the paragraph without starting a new paragraph line. It maintains the paragraph formatting and flow. Now you know the difference between the two. I will show you how to do that in this video tutorial. First I will show you the hard return. The hard return. I can change the value of the space below the paragraph. When I press the Enter key on my keyboard it will jump lower down on the document, because I increased the space below to 20 points. Just press the Enter key on your keyboard to add a new paragraph. Now I will show you the soft return. Press the Shift key plus Enter key on your keyboard to add a new line break within a paragraph. It is still part of the above paragraph without starting a new paragraph line. And that's pretty much of it on the hard return and the soft return text format in a document on Scribus. If you want to watch another video related, or relevant to this video you're watching right now, I have a playlist for you to watch. Just click right here. It has a list of sequenced video tutorials for you to watch. I recommended to you to watch this video tutorials in a sequence, starting from top to bottom video. If this video found to be helpful or useful, leave a comment below, and also make sure to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon for more tutorial videos in the future. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Take care.